Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover exception handling. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover exception handling. In the main function, I have declared two variables, x and y, of type integer, and assigned values. Declared another variable z, of type double, to store the division result. In the try block, I am calling division function by passing the variables x and y, and assigning the result to variable z, and displaying the result. If denominator is 0, division function throws error, else result of division will be returned by function. If there is error, it will be caught by catch block, where I am displaying error message. In the next program, I am going to cover custom exception. I have created custom exception, called myException, by inheriting and overriding exception class with myError function to throw error. In the main function, I have created try block, which throws custom myException. Exception thrown by custom myException will be caught by first catch block. Other exceptions will be caught by second catch block. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.